Hello everybody, my name is Raju Kalakar and I'm from Chhattisgarh. From the very long time, I've been looking for this product that's a migraine stick. And just 3 days back, I have ordered from the shop The World. Let's unbox this and let's see how's this. See, so it's like wrap from the all the sides. We're gonna cut it off. Alright. Let's make it easy. So the packaging is so good for it, and it's wrapped on the plastic actually, and okay, it's like seems so safety. The stuff's of safety, huh? And, right now we are just getting this tape from the product, and the packaging is so good, no doubt. We can see this double time plastic wrapper, and they're quite small, but it's so effective and useful. Alright, so it's a migraine stick from the shop The World. Amazing product from the shop The World. Alright, so a small piece of this product, that's a migraine stick, which will be so useful for mine, and seriously damn god, I was looking for this product from long time. Thank you so much, Shop The World.